Welcome. You've come to this moment, and that alone is perfectly sufficient. Take a few moments to settle yourself. Find a position that feels easy and supportive, whether you're sitting or lying down. Let your hands rest softly, and when you're ready, allow your eyes to gently close. Take a slow, deep breath in. Hold it briefly, and exhale completely through your mouth. Feel your body begin to ease into relaxation. Sense your mind starting to unwind and let go. This is your moment, a pause to quiet your thoughts, to let go of inner noise, and to return to stillness. Now, guide your focus to your breathing. Notice the way the air moves in and out. There's no need to modify anything. Simply watch the natural pattern of your breath. With each inhale, envision yourself drawing in peace. As you breathe out, imagine releasing tension, worries, and mental clutter. Breathe in calm. Breathe out strain. Breathe in clarity. Breathe out distraction. Let your breath gently return you to now. Thoughts might rise. That's completely okay. Acknowledge them without judgment, and then imagine them drifting away like clouds floating through the sky. Picture your mind as wide open, a vast, clear sky. Thoughts may pass through, but the spaciousness remains untouched and calm. With every breath, see the mental clouds disperse. The sky opens. The gentle light of awareness begins to shine. Silently say to yourself, I welcome clarity. I create room within. I feel steady. I feel peace. Let these quiet statements echo softly within. There's no need to hold on to them. Just let them exist gently in your space. Now bring your attention to your body. Begin at the top of your head and slowly move your awareness downward. As you scan, notice any areas of tightness or discomfort. Imagine them softening with every out-breath. Ease the space between your eyebrows. Relax your jaw. Let your shoulders release. Uncurl your fingers. With each breath, you open up more internal space, a calm, clear place where insight can rise. A still mind, a heart that feels light, a presence that is clear and grounded. Now, just rest. No effort, no doing, just being. Let your breath keep you steady. Let quiet surround and support you. If your mind wanders, that's all right. You don't need to follow the thoughts. You can always come back to the breath, over and over. You are safe here. You are complete. In this moment, your mind is spacious and at ease. Begin to slowly reconnect with your body. Notice the support beneath you. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Gently roll your shoulders if that feels pleasant. Take one final deep and nourishing breath in, and exhale with ease as you re-enter your day. Keep in mind, clarity isn't something to chase. It's something you return to through attention, through breath, through presence. Your thoughts are light. Your heart is open. This peace is yours to carry forward. Thank you for giving yourself this moment. You've offered yourself a quiet act of care today. Now, gently return your attention to the breath, again and again, letting it guide you home to yourself. You are safe in this space. You are whole, just as you are. In this very moment, your mind is open, your awareness is wide, and a deep ease settles within you. Begin to reconnect slowly with the sensations of your body. Feel the surface beneath you, steady, supportive, and holding you without demand. Bring small, gentle movement into your body. Wiggle your fingers and your toes softly, like you're waking up something kind within you. If it feels comfortable, roll your shoulders slowly, releasing any last bits of heaviness. Take a final, deep, nourishing breath in. Fill your lungs fully, and then let it all go with a slow, open sigh, like you're releasing anything that no longer serves you. Let this breath mark your return to the world around you, but carry this stillness with you. Remember, clarity is not something you push for. It is not a goal to chase. It is a state you gently return to through awareness, through breath, through presence. Your thoughts are soft. Your heart is open. The calm you've cultivated here is now within you, and it moves with you wherever you go. Thank yourself for being here, for choosing this pause, for giving yourself this moment of care. Simple, quiet, meaningful. You've done something truly kind for yourself today. You've come home to your breath, your body, your being. And that is enough. By simply choosing to be here, in this space, in this moment, you've given yourself something rare and beautiful. You allowed yourself a pause, one filled not with noise or demands, but with silence, with intention, with breath. This was a moment of care, subtle, gentle, and powerful. A moment where you said to yourself, without words, I matter. You showed up for your own heart. You made space in your day for stillness. You softened where you were tense. You breathed through the noise. You returned not to a place but to yourself. You honored your breath, your body, your presence, not by doing more, but by simply being. And that is more than enough. That is strength. That is grace. That is healing. You may not see the full ripple of this moment right now, but know that every breath, every quiet act of awareness creates a shift. You've done something deeply kind for yourself today, something quiet, something real, and in that, you've planted a seed of peace that will stay with you, gently growing. So carry this feeling with you, not as something to hold tightly, but as something to return to again and again with ease. You are enough. You are worthy. You are home. So take this feeling, this soft calm, this quiet awareness, and carry it with you, not as something you must grip or hold onto tightly, but as something you can gently return to again and again whenever you need it, like a familiar breath, like a place within you that never left. This peace you feel, it's not outside of you. It is part of you. It lives within your breath, your stillness, your simple willingness to pause. You don't need to chase it. You don't need to earn it. You only need to remember that it's there. You are enough as you are. You have always been enough, not because of what you do, or what you fix, or how much you give, but because you exist, because you breathe, because you are here. You are worthy, not someday, not when things are perfect, not when you've accomplished more. You are worthy right now, in this very moment, worthy of peace, worthy of rest, worthy of gentleness and love, especially from yourself. Let that truth settle into your heart like a soft light. Let it guide you in the hours and days to come. Let it speak louder than the doubts. Let it stay with you quietly like a steady flame. You don't need to hold on to this experience with force. You can simply revisit it with breath, with presence, with care, again and again. And every time you do, you'll find yourself returning home to what is most real. So go forward gently, go forward kindly, and know that this peace, this stillness, this strength, it lives in you. You are whole. You are worthy. You are deeply, unshakably enough. Thank you for being here with yourself. You've done something meaningful today, and it will continue to echo in ways you may not even realize.